Good morning, friends. Welcome to Doctors the Warriors. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about the pay fixation of medical officers or junior residents. It's a big question, big enthusiasm, big curiosity for the doctors who are seeking the job for junior residents or medical officers in National Capital Territory. The institutes like AIMS, central government run institutes or Delhi government run institutes. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the pay fixation of medical officers or junior residents. So without wasting time, in this video we are going to discuss about the salary structure or pay fixation of medical officers or junior residents. Salary of medical officers is calculated as per 7th pay commission in Delhi state or central government run hospitals. And the basic of medical officers, its start basic of medical officer is 56,100 rupees per month. And we are calculating this salary as on July 2021. You will say the month of November is going on, no issue. The salary structure will be applicable from July 2021. Means rates of DNS allowance and other allowances shall be applicable. So the initial or start basic of a medical officer or a junior resident is 56,100 rupees per month. Now the question arises, is this the gross salary? No. You shall receive many allowances based or calculated on this basic salary. Here in this video, we are not just calculating or we are not just displaying the salary slip or the salary structure. We shall make you understand how is the salary of medical officer or junior resident calculated. So the initial basic is 56,100 rupees. Everyone knows in state of Delhi or central government run institutions, you are not allowed to do your private practice. It means you shall receive NPA, non-practice allowance, and that is calculated at the rate of 20% of the basic. And the basic is 56,100 rupees. 20% of 56,100 amounts to be 11,220 rupees. Is it clear? Next allowance is dearness allowance. This is the allowance called in Hindi Mehengai Bhatta. Means it increases as per All India Consumer Price Index calculated or released twice a year, in month of January, in the month of July of every year. So the rates of dearness allowance is 31% since July 2021 and it is applicable to your basic pay, and 31% of 56,100 amounts to be 17,391 rupees per month. The next allowance is house rent allowance, the allowance to pay your house rent, and it is dispersed as per the category of the cities. Since we are discussing the salary of medical officer or junior residents in the city of Delhi, and Delhi city is an X category city, and rates of house rent allowance is 27%. 27% applicable on basic pay and amounts to be 15,147 rupees. Will it increase by the time? Yes. Whenever the rates of dearness allowance, this dearness allowance, which is 31% as on date, whenever it crosses 50% in future, the rates of house rent allowance in Delhi city shall be calculated at the rate of 30%. But as on date, it is being calculated at the rate of 27%, and 27% of 56,100 amounts to be 15,147 rupees. Now come to the next allowance, transport allowance, fixed as per the cities categorized in the office memorandum issued by Government of India, 7,200 rupees for the employees, for the officers being recruited in the pay matrix level 9 or higher than that. It means 7,200. Your appointments shall be under pay matrix level as per matrix level 10 as per 7th pay commission. You shall receive again dearness allowance. This dearness allowance on this TA means the rates of DA which is 31% you will receive, but on which amount? 7,200. That amounts to be 2,232. And the last allowance, dearness allowance, again on this NPA. NPA is 11,222 as on date for this basic. And the dearness allowance on this NPA means 31% of this amount is 3,478 rupees. So as on date, the gross pay of a junior resident or a medical officer in state of Delhi or in Delhi city, either recruited in AIMS or central government run institutions or Delhi government run institutions, or even in MCD hospitals or NDMC hospital, you shall receive a gross pay of 1,12,768. What about the deductions? There are no deduction except this TDS. What is TDS? It's not total dissolved solids. It's tax deducted at source. Means your salary, you are liable to pay the taxes as per latest tax slabs made by IT department or CBDT. Many of you will ask, does this salary vary in institute to institute? In Delhi? No, it is exactly same whether you have been working in whether you are being appointed in AIMS Delhi or central government hospitals like Safdarjung, RML or Lady Hardinge Medical College or Sucheta Kriplani or Kalavati Saran Hospital, or in any government hospital under government of NCT of Delhi or Municipality Corporation of Delhi or NDMC. Now we will discuss about some important facts behind this calculation of the salary. This pay fixation of medical officers or junior residents recruited under central government or Delhi government run hospitals has been fixed as per pay matrix level 10 as per recommendations of 7th pay commission. Rate of house rent allowance we have discussed in salary structure in AIMS Delhi, central government run hospitals or Delhi government run hospitals is calculated at 27% since Delhi is an X category city. It is likely to be revised to 30% whenever dearness allowance crosses 50% in future. And rate of DA is calculated at the rate of 31% as on July 2021 and again will be revised in this incoming January 2022. Your hospital shall deduct TDS as per income tax laws or slabs applicable. If you are a medical officer appointed under regular recruitment, then you shall receive yearly increment of 3%. We shall discuss about this increment in our later videos, how your salary shall increase year by year. So this is what we have in this video for you. Please stay in touch with us for more updates. We shall bring all the advertisements, all the recruitment advertisements for junior residents, senior residents and medical officers and even for the faculty recruitments. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching video.